What's up guys, it's Shuby here. On my Instagram, a lot of people have been asking me about my meal prep and how much do I spend. Basically, how do I do my meal prep? So I thought it'd be a good idea to take you guys grocery shopping with me. I'm in the parking lot of the grocery outlet, Bargain Market. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I pick out for certain meals and show you the total bill. I already have some stuff at home, so I won't buy as much as I would normally, but hopefully you guys will be able to see how much I actually spend and how much money you can save doing meal prep and how easy it actually is. So I'll be making 8 meals today, so 4 lunches, 4 dinners. I'll be making burrito bowls and also a coconut curry, so I'll show you what I'll buy for that and then show you the total bill, and then I'll actually cook it and show you how to do it. Cool? Alright, let's get started. I'm also terrible and I forgot my reusable bags, so I have to get plastic bags. Sorry, Earth. I did buy some extra stuff that isn't for this meal prep. So like the feta cheese, the turkey bacon, all of that stuff's for breakfast, and I bought a whole bunch of like protein bars. So $39.57 is my total for groceries that will last me. Well, honestly, a lot of these snacks are probably gonna last me like a couple weeks. But I'll have an updated total when I get home about like how much it actually costs for me to make 8 meals, 2 different types of meals. Alright, so it started to rain, so let's head back. So I've made it back to the house, and now I will show you how much I spent on this meal prep. This is everything I bought at grocery outlet, minus this red curry paste. I actually had this before that I got from Albertsons for $4, so we'll add that to our total. But we have chicken for our protein for both types of meals. Got coconut milk for the curry, black beans for the bowls, guac and pico de gallo for the bowls as well. And this actually had $2 off, so I basically paid $1 for this. Got rosemary and basil for the chicken and curry, and then just vegetables for... I got bell pepper and onion for both the curry and the bowls, but in the curry I'm actually going to put green beans too. Then I had also this lemon juice. So adding everything together, and I'll put the prices of everything that I bought in the description, or I'll make like a note, but altogether it's $27.72. So I just empty out that bag, and I have about 5 cups of rice here, and we're going to put 2 cups of water for each cup of rice, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in now. Now while that's going, we're going to season the chicken, and I'll be using 2 different types of seasoning, and I'll show you how I do that. And then we'll get the vegetables all prepped up, and then put it on the stove, and then we'll be good to go. Got my chicken laid out here, so I'm going to use these 3 for the curry because I will want more protein in that, and then I'm going to use these 2 for the burrito bowls because I don't really need as much. I have black beans and all that stuff. And the seasonings I'm going to be using ground cumin and onion powder for the chicken for the curry, and then cayenne pepper, sea salt, and black pepper for the burrito bowls, and it should turn out pretty good. We got all our chicken nice and seasoned, so we're gonna turn on this stove like a medium-high heat. Once you've added garlic and olive oil, you can start putting on the chicken, and be careful not to burn the garlic. You want to go just until you can smell it. Chicken's on here, and you're gonna do about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how thick it is. Just use your judgment. So this has been going on for about 30 seconds, and we'll get back to when you have to flip it. It's also a good idea to use lemon juice because this helps keep the chicken juicy. So usually I use fresh lemons, but I'm lazy, so I'm just using this already squeezed lemon juice. So do as much as little as you want. Oh. Now would also be a good time to start preheating your oven. So I'm going to do it to 400. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on 4 minutes each side, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we're going to bake it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then we should get some nice juicy chicken. And until that's ready to flip, I'm going to start cutting some vegetables, and I'll add the rosemary in the chicken too. All you have to do when you're using rosemary, you take one of these, and then you go against the grain, and you just literally get it all off. See, just like that, and then you have a bunch of needles you can use for rosemary. Boom! I'm making a meal prep video right now. You want to be in it? Explain your day, Fitz.
So, I used to live in Camarillo in 8th grade, which is like 2 hours northwest of Lake Elsinore, which is where we live. So I went up there for a day.
What? No, you didn't!
And I rode my bike with safety first. And I had some donuts, and it was fun.
Timer's gone off. Now we'll start flipping this. Nice crispy, so I'm going to put this on the baking sheet and pop it in the oven. It is now in the oven, so I'm putting some peppers and onions. I'm just going to fry it for a little bit for the chicken. Now we're going to start the curry, so you start it off the same way. You just heat up some garlic until it smells good. And as this is going, you can also add the red curry paste. So the chicken's now done, the vegetables for the curry are now frying, and chicken came out good. You're just going to let it sit, and then once it cools down you can cut it up. This has been going for a few minutes, so now I'm going to reduce the heat and I'm going to put in the coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk and making it go to a simmer, I'm going to start cutting up the chicken for the curry so that I can dump it in as the coconut milk is simmering. And now you can add in the chicken and some fresh basil. Just keep mixing it around, and then you can turn off the heat. And it turned out really good. I usually add a little more red chili paste or some salt and pepper. Just kind of taste it, see how it is, see if you need to add any more seasonings. I don't really use anything like a hard number. I just go with what the taste is. But yeah, it came out real good. Putting everything together, this is how it turns out. I just put in the guac and the pico de gallo and the burrito bowls. I just picked the most aesthetic ones, but I got like 4 more right here. Then also you can just garnish it. I did parsley and rosemary just to make it look aesthetic, you know, for the gram. But yeah, that's pretty much it. For an hour and a half worth of time, I have food for the rest of the week. That's pretty much it. Just like an hour and a half worth of cooking, and you have meals for the whole week. And I only spent a little under $30, and I'll try to get like an actual grocery list somewhere for you guys. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.